geometry is the connection that the master builders were doing between the rhythm of the sun and the earth. And this was the particular figure of what we call the solstitial quadrilateral, showing the summer solstice sunrise, the winter solstice sunrise, winter solstice sunset, and summer solstice sunset. Okay, so that makes a rectangle, which is very characteristic of the latitude of the place where they are going to make the construction. So after that, I'm going fast. After that, people, the master builders, they try to get the special characteristics of the place because we say that each latitude has a natural geometrical characteristic that the best geometry for building instruments. So for example, here we have the mandala of Santa Fe in the 17th century, and because the mandala changed with the ecliptic angle, and so that means that each year there is a little modification of the rhythm of the sun of the place, but very little. So here you can see one of the main characteristics of Santa Fe, which is that we have an hexagon, which is the natural pattern of the place. Is the natural pattern of the place because, as you can see, the AZ is 60 degrees, very close, 60 degrees, which means AZN means the north azimut of the summer solstice sunrise, this line. And so 60 degrees makes an hexagon. The hexagon has angles of 60 degrees, okay? And so the characteristic of Santa Fe is that you can make a 3 solstitial quadrilateral, as you can see here, 3 solstitial quadrilateral, like here, for example, okay? And if you make an hexagon, for example, you are going to get a very powerful place.
Okay, one thing is this pattern right here is a solstitial quadrilateral. Okay, and so you can see the side of the hexagon, the short side of this side is equals the short side of the solar rectangle or the solstitial quadrilateral. So as Dominique was showing, here's another one. This is a solstitial quadrilateral. And then there's another one right here. And not every latitude does that. This is very special to the latitude of Santa Fe. Okay.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. So this is the natural quality or characteristic of Santa Fe. So, for example, if you want to build a house in Santa Fe, you can build a house in the shape of this solstitial quadrilateral, for example, or you can be in the shape of an hexagon, for example, okay? And if you make an hexagon in Santa Fe, you are going to get something very powerful, because the center here is going to be enhanced 3 times, okay? So another characteristic of Santa Fe is that you can see that this is the circle of Earth, the element Earth, and in the tradition it's called the finis terra. So that means this is the limit of the mandala, and it's the limit of the harmonized or harmonized place. Out of this limit, the word is chaos. Inside this limit, the word is harmonious. Okay? So you have this yellow-orange, this orange circle that represents the circle of the sun. And you see that the pentagon fits exactly between the two circles. This is another characteristic of Santa Fe, and we are going to see that the later master builder worked with that too.
Okay, one thing. So with this circle right here, you can see right here is the solstitial quadrilateral, all right? And so the circle is from the center point to the corner of the solstitial quadrilateral, and that makes the sun circle. So, and that's a very special circle. And of course, the pentagon touches it exactly, so that makes it very, very connected to the latitude of Santa Fe.